Chapter 24 Hanuman's Quest. The Vanaras looked at the horizon in disbelief. The distance to Lanka was 100 yojanas, in modern terms equivalent to approximately 800 miles or 1,200 kilometers. Then, one Vanara spoke out. "I could perhaps swim 50 yojanas. Another responded, "I could swim 100 yojanas, but I would not be able to swim back." Throughout the discussions, Hanuman sat silently on the shore. The Bear King Jambavan approached the mighty warrior. "Why do you not speak, Hanuman?" Hanuman looked up at the elderly Bear King. "I am but a simple monkey. What can I do? This is an impossible task." "But you are no ordinary monkey, Hanuman," replied Jambavan. "You are the son of the wind god Vayu. As a child, you mistook the rising sun for a ripe fruit and leapt up into the air to grab it. To protect the sun, the king of the gods had to strike you down with a thunderbolt, hitting your jaw, Hanu, leading to your name, Hanuman. In a rage, Vayu withdrew the air from the earth and heavens. To appease your father, the gods granted you various gifts. Indra made your body stronger than his thunderbolt. Brahma gave you invincibility against weapons and the power to change form. Agni made you immune to fire, Varuna to the depths of water. Vayu blessed you with unmatched speed, Surya the knowledge of all wisdoms and scriptures, while Yama gave you freedom from death and disease. Kuber gave you contentment beyond worldly desires, and Kama blessed you with eternal self-mastery. Hearing this, the spell of forgetfulness that the sages placed upon him as a mischievous youth dissolved, and Hanuman remembered that he could fly. Hanuman rose to his feet, and to the wonder of the Vanaras, he began to grow in size. With a giant leap, he flew up into the air and departed for Lanka. 3 challenges awaited the great soul on his journey. The first, a golden mountain named Manaka, rose from the sea. "Stay here with me, dear Hanuman. Give up your journey. I will provide you with all the rest and comforts you desire." Hanuman touched the mountain with his chest, and then took off to continue his journey. "I thank you for your offer, Manaka, but my duty to Lord Ram rises above all other desires." Next, Hanuman encountered the serpent Surasa. "My boon from Brahma dictates that only those that enter my mouth may pass, little monkey." The serpent opened its ravenous mouth. Hanuman increased his size to avoid being swallowed up. However, as he increased his size, the serpent Surasa also increased the size of her mouth. Hanuman changed tact, and instead decreased his size. He quickly entered her mouth and exited her ear. "I have fulfilled your requirement, Surasa. I will now be on my way." Hanuman's third encounter was with the demoness Samika. She grabbed onto his shadow and pulled him down. Unlike Manaka and Surasa, Samika was truly malevolent. Hanuman turned, and with a vicious blow ended the existence of the demoness. Finally, Hanuman arrived on the shores of Lanka, but yet another journey remained ahead of him, getting to the gates of the Golden City and finding Sita in a realm ruled by demons. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.